Hey guys, welcome to Hanaa Hacks AI, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a prototype on Figma Make. Figma Make is Figma's AI version, right? So I'm going to be trying out for the first time, and what I want to build today is actually a prototype of an app for pre-ordering from local stalls. So in Malaysia, you have a lot of stalls selling food, and during, for example, during your lunch hour, you have to like walk down and order some food. And now I'm going to be creating this prototype that will show us how we can pre-order from these stores, so you don't have to go down from your office to actually get the food, but you can order it from the app and then probably just go and collect it. So let's get cracking. So as usual, we'll be starting with ChatGPT, and from before I have already been ideating with ChatGPT on how this prototype should look like in terms of pre-ordering from local stores. And I've asked it to give me the prompt for Figma Make. So this is a prompt that it has given me. So I will have one screen where I will have all the stalls, the pickup time, and what do I want to eat for lunch. And then the next one, it will be adding that item to the cart, and then reviewing your order and placing your order. And then once your order has been confirmed, it will show you that page of confirmation. So this is a sort of the code that has been given to me by ChatGPT. So I'm just going to copy it over here, and now we'll go to Figma Make. Right. So now in Figma Make, I will be copy and pasting the code over here. If you have any logo or any color preferences or image that you wanted to use, you can also add it over here. So now for the sake of fun, I'm just going to maybe just upload an image, and I will say use it as my logo. Right, so once you're given the prompt, it will take some time to actually generate it. So you'll be seeing it in a minute. Okay, so the app is ready. It's called Makan Mate. And as you can see, I can select my pickup time up here, and then the different stall that are there, and then I can just click on it, and then it actually shows me what do I want to eat. So I click on it. So all these options were already ideated with ChatGPT. So you have to tell ChatGPT exactly what you want to see in your main page, and then what are the food under each stall. So right, so now it shows me that I have to review one item. I can take two roti canai, and I have to put my name, and I'll say, okay, I'm going to be paying at the counter. All right, now I place my order, and my order is confirmed. Now, again, this is very much just a prototype. It has no backend, no coding, but it's just to give you an idea on how you can make a prototype very fast and on Figma. And of course, if you're using ChatGPT, that already enhances your prompt to a very good level, and that's how you can see a prototype being done in literally minutes. So yeah, that's about it, you guys. Of course, you can do further thing. Now I can go back here and I can ask for changes. Okay, let's try to do one little change. um, Add one more stall in the first page with the name Basta. So that's funny. And the food under this stall will be pasta cheese, pasta beef, and the price for cheese is 5 ringgit and beef is 10 ringgit. This is a very random prompt. Let's just see if that works. Oh my god, you guys, Basta is here. So if I click on this, it actually shows me the menu. And then, right, the UI is very much smooth, right? So guys, I have to be honest here, I did not know much about Figma Make. This is the first time I am trying it out. I just had this idea of instead of going down from the office to order your food from the store, how about you could just order it from your phone, and then you can just go and collect it. So it's a very simple workflow. And then I did it with ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gave me the prompt, and I took that prompt and I went to Figma Make, copy pasted, enter, and then the whole prototype was right in front of our eyes. You and I saw it together. Now, what this tells me is this is something you could be doing in your space. If there is any workflow that's taking too much time or some idea you have that can actually create revenue, you can build the prototype on Figma and then show this to your colleague, to your boss, or to your stakeholders, and then show them the potential revenue can create, or time it can reduce, or risk it can reduce, right? So you would know your KPI. I had fun ideating this, experimenting this with you, and definitely will be exploring further now that we have a prototype. How do we take it from prototype level to actually building a fully functional app for users to use? Um, be together with me on this journey and we'll figure it out together. Thank you for watching.